previous session we have revised your previous class syllabus. I hope all of you have done your homework. Okay? Did you buy your books? Okay. From today we are starting our new syllabus. Are you ready, children? Okay. This is your second class EVS textbook. This is your second class EVS part 1 my observation workbook. Okay? This is your textbook and this is your workbook. In this session let us discuss things around us. Things around us. We see many things around us such as table, chair, blackboard, bottle, sofa, buildings, trees, animals. Many things we see around us. Those who have books, open your textbook. Page number 8. First of all, read these new words. Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. G-R-O-W. Grow. N-O-N-L-I-V-I-N-G. Living. N-O-N-L-I-V-I-N-G-T-H-I-N-G. Non-living. Okay. Breathe, grow, living things and non-living things. Breathe, grow, non-living things and living things. Repeat after me. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. G-R-O-W. Grow. N-O-N-L-I-V-I-N-G-T-H-I-N-G-S. Non-living things. L-I-V-I-N-G-T-H-I-N-G-S. Living things. Okay. Now we are going to learn things around us. Look around. You will see many things. Animals, chairs, trees, water, fruits are some of the things that surround us. All these things together form our environment. Our environment form all these things such as animals, chairs, trees, water, fruits, vegetables, flowers, many things. We can also say that environment means all the things that are around us. In our environment, many things around us. Some of them, tree. Here in this picture, we identify some of the pictures. Tree, watering can, bench. He is a boy. This is a ball. This is dustbin. This is a puppy. Okay? These all things we can see in our surroundings. We can many things like buildings, temples, vehicles, animals, birds, plants. Here given only trees, watering can, bench, boy, ball, dustbin and puppy. All these things together form our environment. We can also say that environment means all the things that are around us. Coming to natural and man-made things. natural and man-made things. Some things are, for example, this pencil is made by man. So this pencil is called man-made thing. This book is made by man. So this is called man-made thing. Water. Who made the water? No one can make water. The water is given by nature. So water is called natural thing. Water is called natural thing. The sun. Man can make sun? No. Sun also natural thing. And tree. Tree also given by nature. So trees also called natural things. Some things are given by nature. Those things are called natural things. Water also given by nature, and the sun also given by nature, and tree also given by nature. Mountains, hills. This pencil is given by nature? No. This pencil is made by man. So this is called man-made things. This is only man-made, made by man. So this is called man-made things. The water made by man? No. Water is given by nature. So water is called natural thing. And the sun also given by nature. Sun, moon, stars are our natural things. Tree, soil, earth. These things are given by nature. So these are called natural things. Okay? Mountains, hills, earth. Understood? These things only given by nature. So these are called natural things. Understood? See the textbook. The sun, mountains, forest, air, rocks, rivers, animals and birds are examples of the things that are created by nature. These things are created by nature. So these are called natural things. These are called natural things. These things are created by nature. So these are called natural things. Not all things around us are natural. Some are made by humans. For example, our toys and bicycles are made in factories. Furniture is made by the carpenter. Clothes are made by the tailor. These are all man-made things. Let us look at the natural and man-made things. Okay? See here. This book is made by man. This pencil is made by man. This blackboard also made by man. This duster also made by man. So these things are called man-made things. Pen, book, very good. Car, table, child. Why these are called man-made things? These things are made by man. Pen also made by man. Book also made by man. Car also made by man. These two also made, table and chair also made by man. So these things are called man-made things. Things which are made by man are called man-made things. Things which are given by nature are called natural things. Natural things are given by only nature. We cannot make water, we cannot make sun, we cannot make tree. These things are given by our nature. So, these are called natural things. These things are made by man. So, these are called man-made things. Here given natural things and man-made things. Mountains, trees, animals, wind, water. Man-made things. Houses, furniture, toys, vehicles, clothes. We cannot make mountains, we cannot make trees, we cannot make animals, we cannot make wind and water. Only these things are given by nature are called natural things. We can make houses, we can make furniture, we can make toys, we can make vehicles, we can make clothes. So these things are called man-made things. Man-made things made by man, natural things are made given by nature. So these things are called natural things and these things are called man-made things. Okay? Once again, repeat after me. The sun, mountains, forest, air, rocks, rivers, animals and birds are examples of the things that are created by nature. Things which are given by nature are called natural things. These are natural things. Things that are created by nature. This is created by nature. The sun also created by nature. Mountains also created by nature. And hills and earth also created by nature. So these things are called natural things. Not all things around us are natural. Some are made by human. For example, our toys and bicycles are made in factories. Furniture is made by the carpenter. Carpenter makes furniture, doors, windows, table, chair. Okay. Clothes are made by the tailor. Tailor stitches our clothes. These are all man-made things. Let us look at the some natural and man-made things. Mountains, trees, animals, wind and water. These are natural things. Man-made things are houses, furniture, toys, vehicles and clothes. Okay? Some man-made things are made from natural things. Okay? This is a tree. This is a tree. Okay? Tree is a natural. Tree is a natural thing. See here, some man-made things are made from natural things. We also get some other things from natural things. Let us consider a tree. A tree gives us fruits and vegetables. Flowers and oxygen is natural things. Some natural things we get from man-made things. Fruits, some other things also. Fruits, vegetables, flowers, oxygen. Okay? Some man-made things are made from natural things. This is a tree. Let us consider a tree also natural things. A tree gives us paper, wood, medicines, fruits and vegetables. Tree is a natural thing. Some man-made things are made from natural things. Open your My Observation book part 1. This is yours My Observation part 1 workbook. This. And open your textbook page number 11. Practice zone 1. Practice zone 1 page number 11. Write N for natural things and M for man-made things. N for natural things. And M for man-made things. Okay? Here given some pictures. Identify the pictures and write N for natural things and M for man-made things. What is this picture? Igloo. Igloo is made by man. So, it is man-made thing. We have to write here M. This igloo is made by man. So, it is man-made thing. Here we have to write man-made thing symbol is letter is M. So here write M. These are birds. These birds are created by nature. So these are called natural things. Natural thing symbol N. So we have to write here N. Okay. Next. This is hot air balloon. This is made by man. So, it is man-made thing. We have to write here man-made thing. Things for M. So, complete here answer. This umbrella is made by man. So, umbrella also man-made thing. Man-made things for M. write here M. Okay. Next, tree. Igloo is a man-made thing. Birds are natural thing. Hot air balloon also man-made thing. Umbrella also man-made thing. Tree. A tree is a natural thing. This is a tree. It is our natural thing. Natural things for N. This tree is given by nature. So tree is natural thing. Natural things for N. So here write N. Hen. This hen also created by nature. So hen also natural thing. Okay. Igloo is made by man. So igloo is man-made thing. Birds are created by nature. Birds are natural things. Hot air balloon is made by man. So it is man-made thing. Umbrella also made by man. So umbrella is man-made thing. Tree. Tree is created by nature. So tree is natural thing. And hen is created by nature. So hen is a natural thing. Today's EVS homework. Complete the practice zone, page number 11. Your textbook, discovering. This is your EVS textbook. Today's your EVS homework, page number 11, practice zone 1. Learn and write. Discovering. Book. Page number 11. Page number 11. Practice zone 1. This is today's your EVS homework. Your textbook, page number 11, practice zone 1. Today's your EVS homework. Identify the pictures and complete the answers. Write N for natural things and M for man-made things. Igloo is man-made thing. So here write M. Birds are natural things. Write N. Hot air balloon is a man-made thing. So write here M. Umbrella also man-made thing. Write M. Tree is a natural thing. So write N. Hen also natural thing. This is today's EVS homework. Complete the page number 11, practice zone 1. Okay. This is homework. Once again read lesson. Natural and man-made things. The sun, mountains, forests, air, rocks, rivers, animals and birds are examples of the things that are created by nature. These are natural things. Say the natural things. Natural things are created by nature. They are called natural things. Examples: the sun, the moon, and so on. Okay? Understood everyone? Once again repeat after me. Natural things, the things that are created by nature, they are called natural things. Example: the sun, the moon, soil, earth, water, etc. This is today's your EVS homework. Discovering book, page number 11, practice zone